Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I think everyone is well and leading a happy life. So today in this video, I'll show you that how can you design a modern login page. It's basically that I'm going back to HTML CSS. I'm not gonna use JavaScript in this video because we don't need this. We'll just use HTML and CSS and we'll just design the beautiful page of the login form. So I think you'll enjoy it. So if you feel that this video will help you to create or learn that how to create a login form and that even modern, so you can like, or if you're new in your channel, so watching video you can subscribe also. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the demo of that login page. So our login page is gonna be this, and I think it's gonna be interesting because we have a lot of animations in this page, and in each clicks we'll get new things or new interest. So for that, let's try this page, and for that I'm gonna clean the entire course. First, refresh it as well. So now, first of all, modern login page, and we're gonna use a style or CSS inside this. So for that style, and then here one is to which is login, and under it input type is gonna be text, and the placeholder would be username, and I'll keep it inside input box. And I'll copy one more input box, and inside this I'll be creating it for password. And just let's see the output. So this is a simple output, and now we'll be using style to style this. So for that, margin 0, padding should be 0, box sizing should be border box, and font family is gonna be this. And now body height should be 100 VH, display would be flex, justify content should be center, and align items also should be center, and then a background which is I have already copied, and it's gonna be this, and it's the background color. So let's, now we got this output, so we'll have to access the login box right now, and I'm gonna access this one. You can see, so here we'll write first background color, background gonna be white. This is not white, this is white, and padding should be 40 pixel, width should be 320 pixel. We can use border radius which is 12 pixel. We can use here animation which is fade in 1 second is, and we will clarify it later. Then we have to use a property which is about box shadow, and this is gonna be 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 30 pixel, and at least RGBA 0 0 0 0.2, and let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks better. Then we have to access login box h2, text align sender, and here margin bottom 25 pixel. Then login box. Now I'm gonna access input box. I think you know that I'm gonna access input box and it already exists in this. So input box and margin bottom 20 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, I forgot to take a button which is all about login. Yeah, so now we are gonna access input box and then input. Weight should be 100%. Then outline none. Border 1 pixel solid. Now this is not the color. I'm gonna choose black right now. Let's see how it looks like. Padding should be 10 pixel, and let's see. Then border radius 6 pixel. And at least transition which is 0.3 second. And now same property but a little bit of change, which is focus. And here border 1 pixel solid, and this color I pasted before. Now here let's see first. Yeah, it looks good. And now we have to change it, that is box shadow. And I have also copied it, which is this. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks better. Now let's design the button. And the button and its position should be this is not the position. First, make the cursor of the button pointer. Then we'll have to clarify the background, and its background will be this. Then border radius should be 10 pixel. Color should be white. Then let's see with this property that padding should be 15 pixel. Let's check. Yeah, the width of this should be also 100%. And hopefully the outline should be none. And also the border should be none. Now the hover of this should be border 1 pixel solid, and it's all about the color. I copied this, and box shadow gonna be this. and at least add a transition here which is 0.5 second. So just remove no, just keep here one pixel solid. I'm gonna copy this line and just I'm gonna paste it here, and I'll remove it from here. Let's see. So now we'll have to design this animation we used here, which is fade in. So let's see how to clarify this. First take keyframes, then the animation name, and here from opacity 0, and transform translate y20 picture, and 2, which is opacity is gonna be 1, and then transform translate, now we'll be using translate y equals to 0 pixel. So we saw the animation is working. So this was our login form, which is modern, and I think in future it will be beaten through someone or some login forms. So it's not modern for just now, it will be modern for next 1 to 3 years. And this is the basic login form, and if you want or if you are willing to see more stylish and well designed login form, you can comment me below. I'll be trying my best to bring out a video about that topic. So for today I'm gonna go, so take care of yourself. Bye bye, Lopez.